In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add more than 3 variants on Shopify. By default, Shopify only lets you have 3 options per product, like size, color, and material. If you need more flexibility, the easiest way is to use an app that extends those options. In this tutorial, we'll use an app called Globo Product Options, and I'll walk you through everything from installing it to setting up your custom variants and turning them on in your store. Start by going to your Shopify dashboard and logging into your store. Once you're on the main admin page, look towards the top of the screen for the search bar. Click into that search bar, then type Apps and select the Apps section from the results. This takes you to the Apps area inside your Shopify admin. Here, find and click on All Recommended Apps and then look for the button or link that says Shopify App Store. Click that to open the App Store in a new view. In the App Store search bar, type Globo Product Options Variant. When the results load, click on the app called Globo Product Options Variant to open its app listing. On the app page, click on Install. Shopify will show you a permissions screen, review it, then click Install again to confirm. Next, you'll see the pricing options. You can continue with the free plan or start a free trial on one of the paid plans, which I'd recommend if you expect to use more advanced features. For now, choose Continue as free so we can move forward. Once the app opens, you'll land in the Globo dashboard. Click on Create Option Set. This is where you build your extra variants. Click on Add Element to add your first custom option. For example, you might choose Color Swatch or another type of variant you want. Keep in mind that some elements are only available on paid plans. After adding your first element, click Add Element again to create more options. You can choose the same type or a different one, and you can repeat this as many times as you need to cover all your variants. Now, on the left-hand side, click on the Products section inside the option set. Select the specific product you want these new variants to apply to. If you prefer to apply them to your entire catalog, you can choose Apply to All Products and turn on the toggle. Go back to the Elements tab in the option set and click on one of the variants you added. Here, you can customize it in detail. For a color swatch, for example, you can choose the exact color, add help text to guide customers, set up price add-ons, create additional option values, or bulk add multiple values at once. Repeat this for each element until all your custom variants look the way you want. When you're done configuring everything, click Save in the option set. Now, go back to the main Globo Product Options dashboard inside your Shopify admin. Look for the section that mentions enabling the app in your theme and click on Enable App Embed. Shopify will open your theme editor with the Globo App Embed highlighted. Turn on the toggle for the app embed, then click Save in the theme editor to confirm. At this point, your extra variants are active. Your selected products, or all products if you chose that option, will now display the additional variant choices powered by Globo, going beyond Shopify's standard 3-option limit.